Day Mamson. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and all the joy you bring to those around you. Your kindness, wisdom, and dedication to continue inspire us every day. May this new chapter bring you good health, happiness, and countless blessings. Enjoy your special day, Mom. You truly deserve it.
Okay, so I love you all. I hope that we will always have a harmonious relationship with each other in AES.
Walang iwanan.
Walang mag-aaway.
Lalo na tayo!
Magpasensyahan kung ano man merong marinig na hindi maganda sa tela para walang heartache sa ating puso. Remove heartaches. Kailangan panatilihin natin yung love sa puso natin every day, not only on Valentine's Day, but at Christmas, but it should be every day. Kung meron man tayong hindi magugustuhan, sabihin natin para ma-solve yung problema natin, para maganda yung samahan natin, yung camaraderie. Okay? So, that's all. Thank you. Enjoy eating. Thank you, Lord, for the good health and blessings that you always give to my family and to my children. Okay.
Prepare yata yun, ha?
Thank you.
Sige.